Embarking on a 30-day journey of doing 100 push-ups daily can seem daunting, even impossible. But what if this simple exercise could unlock a powerhouse of physical and mental changes? This essay delves into the transformative effects of this challenge. We'll explore the science behind muscle growth, endurance, and the mental fortitude you'll gain. Get ready to be surprised by what your body can achieve. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a fitness newbie, this exploration will offer insights into the remarkable adaptability of the human body. So let's dive in and uncover the incredible potential that lies within those 100 daily push-ups. The initial days of this challenge will be a wake-up call for your muscles. You'll likely experience soreness, especially if you're new to regular exercise. This is a natural response to the microscopic tears in your muscle fibers caused by the repeated exertion. Don't worry, this soreness is temporary and signals that your body is adapting. In fact, it's during the recovery phase that your muscles rebuild and grow stronger. As you power through the first few days, your body starts to optimize its energy usage. You'll notice your form improving and the push-ups becoming slightly easier. Your nervous system becomes more efficient at recruiting muscle fibers, leading to smoother movements. This early stage is crucial as it lays the foundation for the impressive gains you'll experience in the coming weeks. Remember to listen to your body and take rest days when needed. Pushing through intense soreness can lead to injury. Adequate rest, hydration, and nutrition are essential for muscle recovery and growth. By the end of the first week, you'll be amazed by how quickly your body adapts to this new routine. As you enter week 1, the initial soreness starts to subside, replaced by a sense of growing strength. Your muscles, now accustomed to the daily workload, begin to show visible changes. You'll notice increased definition in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. This is a direct result of the muscle protein synthesis stimulated by your push-up regimen. The body's adaptive response goes beyond just muscle growth. Your cardiovascular system also benefits from the increased activity. You might find yourself less out of breath during other physical activities. This is because your heart is getting stronger and more efficient at pumping blood, delivering oxygen to your muscles more effectively. Furthermore, your tendons and ligaments, the connective tissues that support your joints, also become stronger. This enhanced structural support translates into improved stability and reduced risk of injury. The first week marks a turning point in your journey, showcasing the remarkable ability of your body to adapt and grow stronger in response to a consistent challenge. Week 2 is often when people hit their first plateau. The initial rapid gains might slow down, and you might feel like you're not progressing as quickly. This is completely normal. Your body has adapted to the initial stress of 100 push-ups, and now it needs a new stimulus to continue growing. To break through this plateau, consider adding variations to your push-ups. Incline push-ups, decline push-ups, and diamond push-ups target different muscle groups with varying intensity, challenging your body in new ways. By incorporating these variations, you'll prevent adaptation and continue to stimulate muscle growth. Another crucial aspect of this week is focusing on proper form. As you get tired, it's easy to slip into bad habits that can compromise your results and increase the risk of injury. Maintaining good form ensures that you're effectively targeting the intended muscle groups and maximizing the benefits of each push-up. Remember, quality trumps quantity. By week 3, you'll notice a significant improvement in your muscular endurance. Completing 100 push-ups will feel less strenuous, and you'll be able to power through the sets with greater ease. This enhanced endurance is a result of your muscles becoming more efficient at utilizing oxygen and producing energy. Your cardiovascular system will also have adapted significantly. You'll experience a lower resting heart rate and improved blood circulation, contributing to enhanced overall fitness. These changes are not limited to your physical performance, they also impact your energy levels throughout the day. As you push through week 3, you'll start to feel a sense of accomplishment and pride in your progress. This mental boost is a powerful motivator, reinforcing the connection between physical exertion and mental well-being. The challenge is no longer just about physical strength, it's about pushing your boundaries and discovering your inner resilience. Section 6. Week 4, Mental Toughness takes center stage. The final week of the challenge is where mental toughness really comes into play. You've built a solid foundation of strength and endurance, and now it's time to test your willpower. You might experience fatigue, boredom, or even the temptation to quit. This is where the mental discipline you've cultivated throughout the challenge becomes crucial. Remember why you started this journey. Visualize the progress you've made and the goals you've set for yourself. Surround yourself with supportive friends or online communities that can offer encouragement and accountability. This final push is not just about physical strength, it's about proving to yourself that you can overcome mental obstacles and achieve what you set out to do. The mental fortitude you develop during this week will extend far beyond the realm of fitness. You'll carry this newfound resilience into other areas of your life, approaching challenges with greater confidence and determination. The final week is the ultimate test of your commitment and a testament to the transformative power of consistent effort. Section 7. The final stretch, solidifying your gains. As you enter the final stretch, your body is operating at peak efficiency. You'll have built a solid foundation of muscle mass, increased your endurance significantly, and developed unwavering mental fortitude. The 100 daily push-ups will feel like a routine part of your day, a testament to your commitment and discipline. This phase is about solidifying your gains and ensuring that your hard work translates into lasting results. Continue to focus on proper form, listen to your body, and take rest days when needed. Consider incorporating other forms of exercise into your routine to further enhance your overall fitness and prevent plateaus. Remember that fitness is a journey, not a destination. The 30-day push-up challenge is just the beginning of a lifelong commitment to a healthier and stronger you. Embrace the positive changes you've experienced and use them as motivation to continue pushing your boundaries. Section 8. Beyond the challenge, maintaining your progress. Congratulations on completing the 30-day push-up challenge. You've achieved a remarkable feat of strength, endurance, and mental discipline. But the journey doesn't end here. Maintaining your progress requires a continued commitment to a healthy lifestyle. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine, aiming for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity activity most days of the week. Vary your workouts to challenge different muscle groups and prevent boredom. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains to fuel your body and support muscle growth. Remember that consistency is key. Just as you committed to those 100 daily push-ups, commit to a sustainable fitness plan that fits your lifestyle. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from fitness professionals who can help you tailor a program that meets your individual needs and goals. Section 9. Conclusion. The 30-day 100 push-up challenge is more than just a physical test. It's a journey of self-discovery and transformation. It reveals the incredible adaptability of the human body and the power of consistent effort. You've witnessed firsthand how a simple exercise can lead to significant gains in strength, endurance, and mental resilience. As you move forward, carry with you the lessons learned during this challenge. Embrace the power of setting goals, pushing your limits, and celebrating your achievements. Remember that fitness is a lifelong pursuit, and the journey is just as important as the destination. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, the 30-day push-up challenge serves as a powerful reminder of what you can achieve when you set your mind to it.